Life as we know it today has become all about hand washing for at least 20 to 30 seconds at a time, sanitizing our hands everywhere we go, ensuring that our hands are constantly disinfected, and keeping our hands sterile at every place we visit. And then we repeat this all again to ensure our hands are germ-free. So let's ask ourselves, how are your hands feeling? Are they constantly dry, cracked, pulling tight, looking old, or even sore? Matisse has a solution for your problem. Introducing our Youth Hydrating Hand Cream with an SPF of 10. Let's give those hands some love. So don't delay, get yours today. Follow us and like us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.